Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening. Whatever time I'm catching you watching this, I'm just hoping it's good. This is Tristan Jones with Moving Around Atlanta, and I'm back with another awesome new build community to showcase to you. Let's get it. All right, moving around Atlanta, you know who it is. It's Tristan Jones, your premier Atlanta and around Atlanta realtor, coming back with another amazing home for you. Welcome to the Riverside by Beazer Homes, a meticulously designed two-story single-family home that sets the standard for comfort and contemporary living. This residence boasts an inviting open concept layout, seamlessly connecting the kitchen to the spacious great room. The second floor reveals a versatile loft space, adaptable as a game room, a man cave, a study, any kind of additional family room, whatever you're looking to make it into, whatever your imagination brings. It's designed to cater to the diverse needs. The Riverside offers the option for a guest suite on the main level. Practicality meets luxury with the convenience of an upstairs luxury room nestled between bedrooms and connected to the primary suite's expensive closet. Step outside to a covered back patio, creating the perfect setting for entertaining and unwinding in the open air, catching a fresh breeze, having a cocktail, having a cigar, whatever you're into. Experience a home that goes beyond expectations. Experience the Riverside by Beazer Homes. These start at $550,000 and go on up from there depending on what all you want. They're beginning to offer from 3 to 2 bedrooms, 2.5, 4.5 bathrooms, and spans between 2,637 feet to 3,142 square feet. These are huge homes. Let's get you in one. What's up, moving around Atlanta? You want to list your home with Tristan Jones? You know what to do. Give me a call. 916-272-0520. My channel has already helped me list and sell over a dozen homes for top dollar for my clients. You should be next. Let's get it going.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below and let me know what kind of home you would like to see previewed next.